Welcome to the dashboard. Correlation analysis is a fundamental statistical method used to explore relationships between variables, enabling us to uncover insights and patterns within complex datasets. Please visit next page of the dashboard to analyze the correlations. On this correlation analysis page, here you can select the UNICEF regions to examine the strength of the relationship and the direction trend along with the countries under the region. Please try as you wish. The top-N analysis in the dashboard enables the user to examine the U5MR in top-N countries selected by him. Meaning thereby, you may analyze top 10, top 5, top 50 countries as you need. Please try and analyze. This page provides the summary of the performance of the key indicators and the star rating at regional level. The page is helpful to find out the tailor-made analytical information to the users. Thanks for visiting the dashboard.